Ubiquiti has finally released a UDM Pro Max as a large-scale UDM gateway environment. With a price point of $599 USD as $100 more than the previous UDM SE. At the front, if you look at the UDM Pro Max, you will see the noticeable difference at it got two 3.5-inch NVR HDD base, and the other ports are similar if you look at, but only thing you will see a difference, all the 8GB RJ45 ports are the non-PoE as compared to the previous UDM SE, it was PoE. Apart from that, you will see the same 2.5GB RJ45 WAN port, one 10 gig SFP plus WAN port and 10 gig SFP plus LAN port, and 1.3 inch screen is similar. At the back you will see the same thing, it got a DC power backup, so you can use a power redundancy, UniFi RPS, you can connect it, and the power input there is a lock button. Also with the UDM Pro Max you got a high availability with the shadow mode, so it can automatically WAN failover with a minimum downtime. So Ubiquiti said they will release further for the UDM SE and the UDM Pro, the rack mounted UDMs, you will get a HA availability and high availability. This is shadow mode. If you look at the specs and you can compare with the previous UDM gateways, you will see there is a quite difference, and this UDM Pro Max is most powerful dream machine yet. The throughput is similar as it consists of 10 GB base throughput, and it supports all UniFi applications like UniFi Network, Protect, Access, VoIP and the inner space. But you will see there is a quite jump in the IPS and IDS throughput from the previous generation. It support now 5 Gbps, and the UniFi devices count and the client devices also double from the previous dream machines. It got 200 plus UniFi devices support and the 2000 plus client device support. All the difference you will see at the front is they got two NVR drive base, so it will increase your storage, or you can configure it as a RAID 1 configuration to protect your NVR data. So basically both NVR are mirror, and as compared to the previous generation, you get the better CPU of 2 GHz and 8 GB of RAM, and it support of 32 GB eMMC, and it has 128 GB internal storage SSD as compared to the Dream Machine SE. Only thing you will see the difference is all 8 port it is a non-PoE, but that is understandable. For the large scale environment you must be using UniFi PoE switches, so I think Ubiquiti is now entering into the large scale environment where you can scale your UniFi devices. Only thing you will see now, the most awaited feature of the shadow mode VRRP, so it's a virtual router redundancy, you don't need to be on site, it will automatically, I mean if your one UniFi cloud gates goes offline in the shadow mode, it automatically take over and it continues running. And it got similar all the configuration and everything like from the previous generation. It supports the same thing like one-click VPN, your firewall rules, application aware firewall, you can create a VPN, policy based routing and everything. So I think that's it for the today's video. I hope you will like this video. Follow my channel for more UniFi content.